This is a game that we created in which we simulated putting together mechanical instrument all by yourself. And this goes from, I'm just picking this up again, and I discussed this case study with in one of the initial webinars that I did on how does learning design create business. Very short, let me tell you the story behind this. So what's really happening is that this specific company created the products that look like this, as you see on the screen, and the situation turned out in a way where we had to get the customers who bought the product and got it shipped to them to have them try out the assembly themselves. The reason for that was there were too many products sold because of a government regulation that had just come in, and this specific company did not have the resources to send their service engineer just about everywhere, which now was the need of the market, and they had to come up with a solution very quickly because people won't release the payments to this company who manufactured this product unless somebody came and put all this together in front of them. So we created this small 2-minute game. It was a psychology game, if you ask me. We called it 2 minutes because we know that nobody minds 2 minutes. Anything beyond 2 minutes will have repercussions, and people will not sign up to even experience that. So very, very simple game, a drag and drop game that we created for people, where we explain what the product is and showed them that, hey, it is so simple, you can do it all by yourself, and let's just play a game to see how you can put that together. So this is initial part of the game where we explain you can hover over some things and it'll tell you what it is for. I'll get to the part where so this is the part where we actually play the game. So you can call for a hint, you can do the complete assembly with all the nuanceical things you are required to do. So it is giving you a sense of sequence. This specific example was a real win for us. It happened, very early, almost 2011 and 12 is when we had executed this project. Massive wins for us goes to show that learning designers also need to develop consulting skills and some, ideas around innovation, from the point of view that at times you will be presented a wrong problem and asked to solve it. And if you believe what has been given to you is the reality, the way it is, then you might just land up chasing the rabbit in the wrong rabbit hole in a way. So we've constantly been saying that and doing some sessions around building consulting skills for learning designers, where they can move, even start questioning the inputs and say that I think there is more that we can do to collect the right information before we build the solution. We have to get away from this mentality of as you are talking about your problem, I am thinking about the solution. So this is the challenge that I see with a lot of amateur learning designers who like to just start full movie, a cinema of what the solution will look like even before diagnosing the problem to as much as required. So the tools are simple. I believe all learning designers are consultants in a way, who give you ideas on how to achieve specific human behavior in the shortest possible time. But like we often say in management, that a ladder will help you get up, but if you are against the right wall, is something that you have to figure out up front.